Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer access from Binance to Ronin. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on Spot in the top. Once I've done that, you will be shown all of the coins that you own in your Binance account. Now among these coins, you will have to tap on Access, which is Axie Infinity. After that, you will have to tap on the withdrawal option in the bottom. Then it will give you two different options to withdraw Axie Infinity from Binance. So you will have to select the first option of Send via Crypto Network. After that, it will ask you to provide the address, or you can even scan the address if you have the QR code. So as we want to transfer our Axie Infinity from Binance to Ronin, you will have to launch your Ronin mobile application first. Now once you are in your Ronin wallet, you are going to see your wallet address in the top. Right next to it, you are going to see this copy option. So you need to tap on copy and it will show you that your address is copied successfully. Now you will have to come to this page again, and in this address section, you will have to paste the address that we have just copied from Ronin wallet. After pasting the address, it will ask you to select the network. So you need to tap on select network, and among the given options, you will have to tap on Ronin. After that, it will ask you to select the platform. So you will have to tap on select platform, and then you need to tap on wallet. After that, you need to click on select wallet, and among the given options, you will have to select Ronin. But as you can see over here that Ronin is not in this list, so you can even select other, and after that in this section you will have to type the name Ronin. Then you need to press confirm. After that, you need to tap on the save button in the bottom, and then it will ask you to first verify your identity. So they are going to send a verification code on your email address, which you need to put over here. Afterwards, you will be landed on the withdrawal page where you need to review all the details that you have mentioned previously, like the address that we have just copied from the Ronin wallet. If everything looks correct, you will have to click on the withdraw option in order to confirm your withdrawal. And after waiting for some time, you will notice that now you have successfully transferred your Axie Infinity from Binance to Ronin. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.